Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This case is from Cyrill. I think this is like a sister company for Spigen, if I'm not mistaken. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. This is what they call a leather brick case in black. Bam, if my camera focus. There you go. Nice little packaging from Cyrill. If you want to follow them on their social media website, which is Instagram. What y'all think about that packaging? Let's see. Nice little case. Look, it's got some like suede material in the inside. It's Spigen incorporated, as you can tell there. That's nice. Also, the back is leather. Look at the little logo. It does have plastic protection there. Man, this is a nice case. It feels good too. Like gives you extra grip or something. The nice thing I like about this case, because I did open the box, is you can change out the power button and the volume rockers. So I made it orange. It comes with black. But let's see how this bad boy fits. Nice and snug. Look at that. Do you get some lip action? Yes, you do. How does the top look? Not bad. Everything lines up at the bottom. The pen is easy to get to. Do you get lip action for the camera protection? Yes, you do. Look at the top too. It doesn't show off the beauty of your phone, but I do like the power button. They have these little ridges too for like grip. What y'all think about this case? Let's see how it fits. Yeah, it fits nice and snug. Even on the sides. Oh, look, drop protection. Definitely got the drop protection there. Does the power button work? Yes. The volume rockers. One thing I noticed about the power button, it's kind of flush with the case. But it works though. Let's see if it will wireless charge. Let me set up the wireless charger. It does have some brand in there too by the camera hump. Cyrill. All right, so here's my wireless charger. Will you have a problem wireless charging? No, I didn't think so. And then also you should be able to power share too, because you can wireless charge with the case on there. I just like the buttons myself. Look how high it comes towards the lip of the corners there. So what y'all think? I like it. I really do like this case. I probably will rock it for a few days. Again, if you want to pick up this case from Amazon, I will definitely have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.